Hey guys, tonight I'm driving the 2021 Audi RS5 Coupe. Beautiful light sequence there, guys. Amazing. Audi Sport logo. Look how beautiful this thing looks at night, guys. Even the back too. Well, nice lit. I love this carbon fiber spoiler. Very beautiful. Full LED lighting. Just beautiful. And as well as this ambient lighting as well. And you can change the colors. I think my favorite one would be the blue or the red. Backup camera. Very nice resolution, very clear picture. Even the trajectory lines look super clear. Let me show you guys a little bit of exhaust sounds in here, especially in this garage. Unbelievable handling, guys. Just unbelievable. The handling is unbelievable, guys. Even driving this car slow is so much fun. Our infotainment here. Here's our navigation at night. Very responsive. The steering is amazing as well, guys. Like, wherever you put the steering, it goes, as you can see right now. Gotta be careful with this vehicle, guys, because it picks up speed so instant. Very, very, very fast. Let's do one more acceleration highway pull, guys. Simply amazing. But also, let's put it on the comfort, because it's not all about racing and all that. Because most of the time, you're going to be driving this car on comfort, because it will eat a lot of gas. Let's try the lane keep assist. Yeah, it's very responsive. There's no notification, but the steering just automatically puts you back on the road. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It just throws you back in the lane so quick. Let's test the audio system. Change the song right here. I love how this car is very aggressive on RS mode, but once you put it on comfort mode, guys, it's very quiet. You put on your music, very relaxing. It's a two-way car. When you put an RS mode, it just wakes up. It's like it's sleeping. Brakes feel awesome, but they do require a little bit of pressure. To finish this POV drive, I'm gonna show you the parking assist of Audi. So we first hit this button right here, and then we turn our indicators to see where we're gonna park in that case. But there has to be a car like involved. Like there's a car right there. Like as you can see, there's no cars here, so it won't read it. But I found a car here, and it should be able to read a parking spot. Okay, it's found a parking spot. It says please drive further to forward to start a parking maneuver. Please select reverse and take your hands off the steering wheel. So this is how the parking assist is. It's gonna take all over. The steering takes over. I'm not holding the wheel, guys, but you do have to control the pedals, the acceleration and the brake. Please hold brake pedal and select first gears, and it automatically does it by itself, guys. This is awesome. Please hold brake pedal and select reverse. And I'm not touching anything. So there you go, guys. Parking assist ended. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Sure, park very well.